Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Trying to decide which color of the new MacBook Neo to buy? Let's take a quick look at all the color options and key specs and also who this MacBook is for. If you are new to my channel, please make sure to subscribe. This helps our channel to grow. The MacBook Neo comes in several vibrant finishes. Each one looks slightly different depending on the lighting. Regarding the design, Apple keeps it familiar with aluminum design, making it look premium while still being lightweight and portable. Talking about the specs, the MacBook Neo is powered by Apple's A18 Pro chip with a 6-core CPU and 5-core GPU paired with 8 GB of unified memory. Regarding the display and camera, you also get a 13-inch Liquid Retina display and a 1080p FaceTime HD camera for calls and meetings. Storage option included are 256 GB and 512 GB respectively. That also comes with a Touch ID, with the battery life rated up to 16 hours. The MacBook Neo starts at around $599 making it one of the most affordable MacBooks available. So the next big question, who is this for? This laptop is great for students, everyday users, and anyone who wants a lightweight Mac for browsing, work, and social media. So, out of all these colors, which MacBook Neo would you choose? Do let me know in the comment section below. If you like this video, please give it a like and share this video. And thank you for watching ITech-Kannada. See you in my next video.